Hey, get your paws off me, mister. What?
Are we just going to the punishment? That's on YouTube. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, yours car. Why are you money? Car. Now I'm going to video on about that.
His face.
No, no, no.